Trade crypto time. We just made $67,000 trade altcoin pumps. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. Right now, the price is $66,000 and the volume today is $2.6 billion. Go to my Twitter account and I explain Bitcoin is ready for 15% crashing down. I draw right here this line. The Bitcoin hit this resistance line 3 times. Now it's gonna crashing down. Follow my Twitter account and keep yourself updated about Bitcoin. It's free, guys. Let's talk about the real money right here. We just made 607% profit. We trade coins I share in the private list of LimeWire, Verge, Aavegotchi, OAX, Crypto Toncoin, Akropolis. Guys, LimeWire provide me 95% profit and the volume today is $41 million. How am I found this pump right here? By calculating volume spike plus buyer power. Go to LimeWire, position the rank 594. Down here on March 19, the volume of this coin was 2.6 million. Volume pump to 3.3 million, $5.3 million. That's the catalyst I'm looking for before the pump. So LimeWire, the volume spike on 21 and I shared this trade at the private list on 27, 7 days before the volume spike. So we bought this coin for 76 cents and you put a sell order at $1.50. I made 95%. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Welcome to our new members, Kevin, Ashley, and Fark. Okay, another coin I share in the private list, guys, was OAX. Exactly the same strategy, guys. Volume always spike first. OAX, position the rank 1330. Let's go down right here on March 22. The volume of this coin was 2.9 million and volume pump to $34 million. Do you know what? That's the how I find those pumps. The volume spike always before the pump. So OAX, guys, is another example. Remember the volume spike right here on 23 and I shared this trade at the private list right here on 29. Right after before the pump, we bought this coin for 20 cents and you put a sell order at 40 cents. 97%. I made $9,000. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 20% per week return of investment. And I will let you know where you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Email me and ask for the free platform to trade. Thanks for your time. Have a beautiful day. And remember, we are tracking 3,000 coins with more volume. Take a look at this. Take some time. Have a beautiful day.